Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Disclaimer o paalaala. All content shared here reflects my personal opinions and perspectives only. Ang lahat ng nilalaman ay batay sa aking sariling pananaw at opinyon. This is intended for entertainment and informational purposes lamang at hindi dapat ituring bilang professional advice. Ang pag-iingat ng manonood ay kinakailangan. Good Will Hunting is not just a movie. It's a mirror of how brilliance can be trapped by fear and pain. Will Hunting, a janitor with a genius-level mind, solves math problems that even professors struggle with. Yet he cannot solve the puzzle of his own life. Para sa mga kababayan natin, this film hits differently. Lalo na kapag iniisip natin kung paano natin minsan tinatago ang galing dahil sa takot o trauma. The story is raw, emotional, and full of lessons about friendship, love, and self-discovery. At kung iniisip mo na ito ay simpleng drama lang, isipin mo ulit. Kasi may mga eksena dito na parang tropa mo lang ang kausap mo sa kanto. Sabay may banat na tatawa ka kahit seryoso ang usapan.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
So how's your lady? She's gone. Gone where? Med school, medical school in California. Really? Yeah. When was this? It's like a week ago. That sucks. So, when are you done with those meetings?
Like the week after I'm 21.
Yeah, they gonna hook you up with a job or what?
Yeah, fucking sit in a room and do long division for the next 50 years.
Yeah. Probably make some nice bank, though.
I'm gonna be a fucking lab rat.
Better than this shit. Way out of here.
I want to way out of here for. I mean, I'm gonna fucking live here the rest of my life. You know, be neighbors, you know, we'll have little kids, fucking take them to Little League together up Foley Field.
Look, you're my best friend, so don't take this the wrong way. In 20 years, if you're still living here, coming over my house to watch the Patriots game, still working construction, I'll fucking kill you. That's not a threat,
What?
that's a fact. I'll fucking kill you.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Look, you got something none of us
Oh,
have.
come on. Why is it always this? I mean, I fucking owe it to myself to do this and that. What if I don't want to?
No. Fuck you. You don't owe it to yourself. You owe it to me. Because tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and I'll be 50. And I'll still be doing this shit. And that's alright, that's fine. I mean, you're sitting on a winning lottery ticket. You're too much of a pussy to cash it in. And that's bullshit. Because I'd do fucking anything to have what you got. So would any of these fucking guys. It'd be an insult to us if you're still here in 20 years. Hanging around here is a fucking waste of your time.
You don't know that.
I don't?
No, you don't know that.
No, I don't know that. Let me tell you what I do. Every day I come by your house and I pick you up. We go out, we have a few drinks and a few laughs, and it's great. You know what the best part of my day is? For about 10 seconds from when I pull up to the curb when I get to your door. Because I think maybe I'll get up there and I'll knock on the door and you won't be there. No goodbye, no see you later, no nothing. You just left. I don't know much, but I know that.
Will Hunting represents the brilliance na madalas hindi nakikita dahil natatakpan ng insecurities. He is a janitor at MIT, pero secretly, he can solve equations na parang simpleng sudoku lang. Ang irony dito, he can calculate the most complex math problems, pero hindi niya masolve ang sarili niyang emotional struggles. This is the kind of paradox na madalas din nating makita sa buhay. Maraming tao ang magaling sa trabaho, pero hirap sa personal healing. Sean Maguire, the therapist played by Robin Williams, shows us na hindi sapat ang talino kung walang acceptance at courage to face the past. Sean's character reminds us na kahit gaano ka katalino, You need someone to challenge your walls. Para sa mga Filipino, ito ay paalala na hindi weakness ang mag-seek ng tulong, kundi strength. Chucky Sullivan, Will's best friend, is the embodiment of loyalty and tough love. He pushes Will to chase opportunities, kahit alam niyang mawawala ang tropa niya sa tabi. Ang lesson dito, tunay na kaibigan ang magtutulak sa iyo palabas ng comfort zone, kahit masakit para sa kanya. Skylar, Will's love interest, represents vulnerability and risk. She shows na love is not about perfection, kundi willingness to embrace imperfections. Para sa atin, ito ay paalala na hindi dapat matakot magmahal kahit may sugat sa nakaraan. The triggering factor in the movie is the confrontation between Will and Sean, lalo na yung "it's not your fault" scene. That moment breaks down years of pain, and it teaches us na minsan, kailangan lang natin marinig ang simpleng katotohanan para bumitaw sa bigat na dala natin. Final message. Ang pinakamalaking aral ng Good Will Hunting ay simple pero matindi. Genius is nothing without healing. Hindi sapat na magaling ka sa trabaho, equations, o kahit anong skill kung hindi mo kayang harapin ang sarili mong sugat. Para sa mga Filipino, ito ay paalala na huwag nating itago ang talino natin dahil sa takot o trauma. Kung i-apply natin ito sa buhay, dapat matuto tayong mag-seek ng tulong, magtiwala sa totoong kaibigan, at magbigay ng chance sa sarili na magmahal at magbago. Ang tunay na success ay hindi lang tungkol sa career o pera, kundi sa freedom from the pain that holds us back. At sa huli, ang tanong na dapat mong dalhin ay ito: ano ang hindi mo pa hinaharap na kailangan mo nang harapin ngayon?
You see this? Holy shit. This is not your fault. Look at me, son. It's not your fault.
I know.
It's not your fault.
I know.
No, you don't. It's not your fault. I know. It's not your fault.
All right.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Don't fuck with me. It's not your fault. Don't fuck with me, all right? Don't fuck with me, Sean. Not you. It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
I'm so sorry.
Fuck them, okay?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.